Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grant County, Owen County, Eastern Gallatin County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Owen, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Williamstown, Crittenden, Dry Ridge, Owen, Glencoe, Corinth, Monterey, Grants, Stewartsville, Elk Lake, Beechwood, Ryle, New Liberty, Elmer Davis Lake, Sherman, Elliston, Monk, Cherry Grove, Long Ridge, and Eagle Hill. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 67 and 70. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 147 and 165.